Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to insert a SIM card into your Google Pixel 8a. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, you would need to take out of the box this pin, which comes with the device, and of course your SIM card. After this, take your phone so you would be able to see this left side of your phone. And right here you can see the SIM slot with a little hole on it. We need to put the pin into this little hole and lightly push on it. And pull it out with the help of your fingers. Now, take your SIM card and pay attention of the SIM slot. As you can see, one of the edges doesn't have a corner, and the same of your SIM card. You need to put it with the corner which doesn't exist on the same side so it will perfectly sit. After this, put the slot back into your phone, but make sure that both of the holes are on the same side. Just like this, and push it to the phone. And that's it. Now your SIM card is inserted in your phone, and it may ask you for a PIN code from your SIM card. Enter it if it's necessary. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.